Hello and welcome to Stone 15 TS's bike check. First bike check. If I get any new parts or anything, I'm gonna update my YouTube. I just made this YouTube, so yeah, get to it. Let's see. ODI Black Barn Animal without the flag grips. Pretty good. Just bars. I don't know how far the bars are. Stem. Stock stem. Stock fork. Dual brand tires. They're really sturdy. I really like them. Nice. Cinema 333. Single wall rims in the front. Stock hub. Stock frame. I guess half chromoly. I don't even know. Colt seat. Seat post. Shadow Conspiracy. Seat. Very comfortable. Padded seat. Cranks. Stock cranks. These are animal clear purple. They're pretty good. They don't have the reflectors or any. I don't have any reflectors on this guy. Yeah, they're like, I don't know, they're nice. I like them. Let's get to the sprocket. How am I gonna hold this up? You know? How am I gonna hold this up? Stock sprocket, normal little chain. I got so I'll show you at the end. Double wall, Cinema 333, black spokes, little black nipples. They're fucking turning silver. I don't know how they're turning silver, but they're turning silver. Anyways, duo tire. Back hub. I don't know what stock back hub is. I don't even know. And they got little rocket caps, but okay, this is